We're at the first fire break. Gonna head down there now. It's a bit swampy through here. It's a lot growing in now, so gonna take my time. At least it's not flooded out at the moment that much. This used to be a lot more smoother to go through, but now it's all fucking swamped out now. Way more swamped out now. But if there's no water at the entrance, then it's dry like this all the way through. Yeah. Wow. Used to be able to fly through here, eh? No, you can't do that anymore. It always gets a bit deep. It gets very pretty deep at the end of this. Once we get through this part, yeah, it's quite deep. It's quite muddy. Wow. It gets a bit like this through here, through these parts, then it gets deep. Wow, yeah, now the other deep parts are right here. Wow. I think that's it, actually. Wow. Well, we're at the fire break.